Berlin, and once again, welcome to the 10th anniversary of this very important project. You just saw the video by Mr. Francois himself, the father of this movement. So let's hear it for him one more time. Let me introduce my beautiful mistress of ceremony, Miss Maria Blažević. And to begin our Act 1, let's bring out from Stepflix, Liliane Barrera and DERICK Sayez.
La vie est bonne, petite chance, pour qu'elle commence. Ah, c'est vrai que l'automne n'a plité, n'avance pour plus devant, comme on a validé. Ah, en allez! Jouer de mauvais temps, les lattes fait tomber, bougeons, l'espoir toujours pousser. Ah, yeah! C'est vous nous chanter ensemble, fanatique à droite chanter, fanatique à gauche chanter, fanatique païsé chanter, fanatique taille à chanter.
Co-master of the ceremony, Mr. Victor Kanievsky. Can we get you please up on the stage? They want to thank him for the help, encouragement, and guidance with their dancing. So I would like to announce our beautiful Millennium Folk Modern Dance Group with their number, Shalom Israel.
לא פוחדים מאף אחד, השם השם אחד.
השם ישמור את החיילים, מוסרים את הנפש בשבילנו, לשמור על המתנחלים, לשמור על כל היהודים. הצדיקים לומדים תורה, שומרים עלינו מכל רע, ולנו נשאר להיות ביחד באהבה אחת גדולה. לא נראה, לא נפחד, כי כולנו עם אחד, ויש לנו צבא גדול, ואת השם הכל יכול. והעיקר, והעיקר, לא לפחד, לא לפחד כאן. והעיקר, והעיקר, לא לפחד כאן. והעיקר, והעיקר, לא לפחד, לא לפחד כאן. והעיקר, והעיקר, לא לפחד כאן. אנחנו לא מפחדים, עם ישראל חזקים, לא פוחדים מאף אחד, רק מהשם השם אחד. מי שחושב לפגוע ביהודים, יש לו טעות, אנחנו חזקים, ולא ניתן לאף אחד. השם איתנו, השם אחד.
Let's bring out Mitchell and Abigail dancing.
You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. Woo! Let's do it. As it breaks his great balls of fire. I let you love all I thought it was right. You came along and took my money. I changed my mind. Just girls love that. It's just great balls of fire. Kisses and baby. Feels good. Hold me, baby. Well, I want to love you like I love the should. You're fine, so kind. I can tell this world that you're mine, 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 mine. That you my nails out and that went on my gun. I'm feeling nervous, but it sure is fun. Come on, baby. It drives me crazy. It's just great balls of fire. Feels good. Hold me, baby.
Yeah, what's the job? Thank you, Mitchell and Abigail. Hello. Can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me? Yes. Excellent. How was that jive? It wasn't good, was it? Excellent. Now we're going to change the styles completely and go into Viennese waltz with ERNEST and NOHORA. Let's welcome them with a beautiful round of applause.
Waltz. So our next number is going to be a very, very famous salsa group, also known as Cam Dance Company. Are we ready for it? Yeah. Okay, I need you to give it to me louder. Are we ready for it? Yeah.
Nuestra experiencia y creatividad nos ha permitido coronarnos campeones en México, Puerto Rico y Estados Unidos, bailando salsa al estilo Cam, caleño afrocubano mambo. Con ustedes, Cabiosile Cam.
Nadie se salva de la rumba. Rumbero bueno, te lo digo yo, la la la. Nadie se salva de la rumba, cualquiera lo lleva hasta la rumba.
So let's welcome OSSE with his student VASTIE. Konpa.
Me compa.
Beautifully done. How do you like that Konpa? If you want to learn it, you know who to call, right? Everybody's got Francois' number. Excellent. And now let's move on with a beautiful professional presentation of salsa time. RAMPHIS and Jenny Kumar. Start clapping. It's good.
Can we get them a round of applause? Oh, that's an amazing entrance over there. I like it.
Let's hear it for Lynn and Randy. Did you enjoy the show? Well, we're here to celebrate the International Dance Council, also known as CID. The CID Congresses are the largest international events in the field of dance research studies. And the first one was attended in the United States by the professional members from over 30 different countries back in 2015. And that was held in Hallandale Beach, Florida. This is our 10th anniversary. It's been my honor and pleasure to be the MC for the 3rd year. And so thank you, Francois, for not firing me yet. And the message is that the dance is a form of language that transcends not only cultures, but the feelings and ideas of all people and civilizations. This would not be possible without great help from very many people, one of whom is here today, and it's my great pleasure to bring out onto the stage Ms. Rhonda Ayes from Rhonda Ayes Alliance. I think some of you know her.
I like light. This is a bright one. Vision is important. Thank you everyone for coming. My name is Rhonda Verasamy LeBlanc, and I lead an organization that we do eye care in South Florida and the Caribbean. We've taken it upon ourselves to merge with this dance group because there's something important in everything that you do. I want to ask everybody, did you see all of those moves? Did you see the different steps and the different swings and the different bends? Did you see that clearly? If you didn't, we need to have your eyes checked, right?
Yes, we do.
So we decided to work with this group, and you've seen the slideshow, it's been running for a while, that we've been doing work helping people to see clearly. And we've decided to work with the dance group because we can prove that if you help someone to see clearly, if they've had cataracts, if they've had infections, if they need glasses, if we can do that for them, their life improves. Not only their life, their family, and the community. The same goes with the dancing. Most of the performers here that you've seen tonight has a story. A bad knee, a bad back, an accident, all different types of health situations. The dance therapy has helped them to perform and to bring their lives back into joy. So tonight, we're joining together and we want you all to enjoy this event that's right here in Miramar, the home of Rhonda Ayes Alliance. We have been here for 22 years. Right here in Miramar, and in doing that in Miramar, we're very conscious about health and nutrition and dance and Zumba, and with that, we have been honored that the mayor of our city, Mayor Wayne MESSAM, when we asked him about this program, he endorsed it. Tonight, I have the honor of bringing our mayor, my mayor, Wayne MESSAM, to you as he welcomes you in our home. Mayor MESSAM, please.
Thank you so much, and welcome everyone. Welcome to the great and beautiful city of Miramar. Thank you so much for coming out this evening. I'm going to be very brief, but please, let's give a big round of applause to Rhonda. You know, it's one thing as a scientist and as a practitioner to be able to treat your patients, but it takes a special kind of person to take their professional acumen and to be a blessing to others, and especially to those who could never repay. and the work they're doing, not just here in South Florida, but throughout the Caribbean. And you saw some of the slides and photos from Haiti. It's so fitting that this alliance and this partnership with CID at the 10th Annual Congress on Dance Research is merging together, because vision and sight is so important. Because as you stated, if we could not see clearly the art of expression from so many cultures, you would not get the full benefit of dance. So thanks so much for not only representing our city, but being such a blessing to the community. And to the dance community, keep on bringing your art form, because especially in a society that in these days has been so divisive, this is something that unites us. And then finally, I think it is also fitting that Konpa is this year's theme, especially with so many hateful things and stereotypes that have been spread through the most recent couple of months. We are showcasing the brilliance, the excellence of the Haitian people and the Haitian culture, which is strong and alive here in the city of Miramar. So to bring the international community together to show the best. We're going to have to work to see how we can make this a live broadcast on CNN and on Fox and on MSNBC so people can see the true strength of the Haitian community. So thank you all for coming out this evening. Take care and God bless. And before I take my seat, we do have a very special guest with us as well. We've lost her. She has some representation congressionally here in the city of Miramar, but through redistricting, she has moved further north with her congressional district. But I would like to have our Congresswoman, SHEILA. We know her as SHEILA. And she loves you all to call her the same, but our Congresswoman, we still claim her, even though she's up north. But thank you so much for your representation. Thanks for your historic run, being the first Haitian American to be elected into the United States Congress. So welcome, honey, to the left. Thank you so much, and please share a few words with everyone.
Well, thank you so much, Mayor Wesson, for having us here today. I am so proud to be in Miramar. I actually live in Miramar, so this is home. But I've known Rhonda Eyelines for years. She's like a second mother to me. And the work that she's able to do is so impeccable and remarkable. But this actual alliance that we have today with the dance community is one that is healing all of our souls, but also is healing America. So I thank you guys for being here today with us, standing together and actually promoting our unity. And I also had a newly elected president here who wanted to say hello.
Hello, I'm Dana Barclay. I am the student council president of Crow Cove Elementary.
She is also Rhonda's neighbor. She's my granddaughter.
Well, thank you so much for having us tonight, and I hope you enjoy it. I think at this moment, me and Mayor Messam practice a dance. Are you ready, Mayor Messam? No, I'm kidding. Maybe next time.
Quick lesson. No. Do we want to see it? Yeah. Hey, we spoke. We will deliver. So, we're ready. How many feet do we have? Awesome. We don't even need to know which ones. So pick one of them up. By the way, you sitting down there, you can do the same thing. Now place it down. Pick up the other one. Place it down. Let's do it together. And 1, 2. Just one, that's it. Again. 1, 2. Super. One last time. 1, 2. Excellent. We're halfway there. The next one comes in real hard. One step. Awesome. One more time. Now what we're going to do is what we did the first time and then the second time. So it goes like this. 1, 2, slow. Ready? 1, 2, ready, set, go. 1, 2, slow. 1, 2, slow. 1, 2, slow. 1, 2, slow. And that's how we salsa! Fantastic. Thank you, Rhonda. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Congresswoman. Thank you for being here and for sharing the stage with CID. Are we ready for a little bit more dancing? We can see clearly now. Excellent. So now, without further ado, let's have a huge hand for Mr. Francois himself, dancing with Olivia Kane.
Did you really think I'd just forgive and forget? No. After catching you with her, your blood should run cold, so cold. You're two-time and cheap lying wannabe. You're a fool. If you thought that I'd just let this go, I see red, red, oh red. A gun to your head, to your head. Now all I see is red, red, red. Did you really just say she didn't mean anything? Oh, I remember those words when I come for your soul, your soul. Know that you dug your own grave, now lying in it. You're so cruel. But revenge is a dish best served cold. I see red, red, oh red. A gun to your head, to your head. Executioner style, and there won't be no trial. Don't you know that you're better off dead? All I see is red, red, oh red. Now all I see is right, hide. Oh, you're so.
Bravo, bravissimo! Olivia Kane with Francois Duck. Ready to get cheered up a little bit? So we've been watching dancers from all over the world, and most of these dancers were of Latin persuasion. But we also saw an Israeli dance.
Yes.
Did you enjoy that?
Yes.
Do you know where those dancers are from? Ukraine. And now, without further ado, Elena Tarantseva's Millennium Dance, performing a Ukrainian folk dance.
Дороги іншої не треба, поки зорить чумацький шлях. Я йду від тебе і до тебе, по золотих твоїх стежках. Мені не можна не любити, тобі не можна не цвісти, лиш доти варто в світі жити.
Thank you, Millennium Dance. Muchas gracias. Shiro Dyaku. And all the other languages that I don't know. And now, from Ukraine, a quick flight to Buenos Aires. Argentine tango being performed by Jeremias Force and Delfina Rivas. Woo! Doesn't begin. Delfina Rivas. And now, all good things must come to an end. So this act is coming to an end, but it's coming to an end with another beautiful, beautiful dance being performed by Mitchell and Abigail. The dance is rumba, and with that, I will bid you adieu, and the rest of the show will be emceed by my co-mistress, Miss Maria Blažević.
Can we get a round of applause for Mitchell and Abigail, and the same for Mr. Kaniewski.
La vie a bon petite chance pour qu'elle recommence. Ah, c'est vrai que l'automne a plité, n'avance pour plus devant, comme on n'a pas arrivé. Ah, en allez! C'est conviction, au sol j'y vais, c'est ce trésor, confiance, c'est assurance. Temps en temps nous jouons de mauvais temps. Les lattes fait tomber, bougeons, l'espoir toujours pousser. Ah, yeah! C'est pour nous chanter ensemble. Fanatique à droite chanter, fanatique à gauche chanter, fanatique païsé chanter, fanatique taille chanter.
Okay, one more dance. Are we ready for it? Yes?
This one?
Guys, you're so quiet. Can I get a little bit louder? Okay, so one more dance from our Honduras group. Let's welcome them to the stage. Thank you, everybody. I would like to invite Francois and Olivia with a beautiful dance.
A slow waltz, and it's going to be by Oleg and Riza, which are a mother and a son. So can we give them a round of applause, please?
Am I right? Well, I need to tell a little story. You know, I actually have one girl in here. She's my daughter, but she's also a dancer. Wasn't it beautiful? Yeah? Okay, so grandkids, kids, everybody get in a dance studio. Now, I would like to take an opportunity to introduce my very, very good friend, Oog, with his partner, Mary, and a beautiful bolero.
I am the one-winged bird for flying, sinking quickly to the ground. See your faith in me subsiding, see you prime for giving in. I give you all that I am. I am the sound of love's arriving, echoed softly on the sand. Lay your head upon my shoulder, lay your hand within my hand. I give you all that I am. And I breathe the way you breathe. Let me stay a soldier ever marching as to war. I would give my life to save you. I stand guarded at your door. I'll give you all that I am. I am the one-winged bird for flying, sinking quickly to the ground. I'm a blind man for a watchdog. I am prime for giving in. I'll show you all that I am. And I breathe so you breathe. Let me to our Millennium Folk Modern Dance group with a beautiful dance. Are we ready? Woo!
буде Україна.
How's everybody tonight? Oh, I like that. I like that. Very good. So let's see Mitchell and Abigail with the rumba.
En el alma solo tengo soledad. Y si ya no puedo verte, porque Dios me hizo quererte para hacerme sufrir más. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir. Adorarte para mí fue religión. En tus besos yo encontraba el calor que me brindaba el amor y la pasión. Es la historia de un amor como no hay otro igual, que me hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal, que le dio luz a mi vida, apagándola después. Ay, qué vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir. Adorarte para mí fue religión. En tus besos yo encontraba el calor que me brindaba el amor y la pasión.
Wow, guys, you make this room hot. So now we're gonna go back to Argentina. So I would like to announce one more time, Jeremias and Viva!
Now let's try. I don't think we've seen this one. Cha-cha. Are we ready for it? Yeah? Does anybody knows where it comes from? Cha-cha. Cuba, exactly. Good job. Very, very good. So let's welcome Og and Mary.
Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. 'Cause I want it. Give me some more. 'Cause I need it. Give me some more. You know I want it. Give me some more. 'Cause I need it. Give me some more.
Una tarde allá en Piñones me encontré a un pana ahí. Me contó de sus lamentos entre medalla y Bacardí. Ay, yo le dije, déjate de eso, que esa tipa no es para ti. Y yo digo que yo sé de eso, porque eso me ha pasado a mí. Manita, dice, entre consejo y sus lamentos, esto es lo que me dijo a mí. Ay, yo me fui acostumbrando a cómo ella me hace sufrir. Te agradezco tus consejos, pero así me gusta a mí, me gusta a mí.
Gimme, 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 gimme some more. 'Cause I want it. Give me some more. 'Cause I need it. Give me some more. You know I want it. Give me some more. 'Cause I need it.
Pa' eso, bebé.
Give me some more.
Oh, baby.
Give me some more.
Let's run the house down. I love it. And our beautiful Rhonda. Where is she? Yes. Coming out, coming out. Can I get that applause a little bit louder? Woo! Very, very good. Congratulations. Good job. What do you think about those dancers here?
They're so good that my husband wants me to do dance lessons.
Yes! You see, that's a progress. Now, I actually do have to tell you guys, there's actually one really important thing. If you get the chance, please Google dancing makes you smarter. I'm serious. It's actually the only activity that prevents Alzheimer and dementia for 76%.
But you have to see clearly so you can Google.
Exactly. Very good. You see, that's smart. You see, even I wear glasses. Very, very, very good. Now, what do we have now? Are we having some social dance now?
Yes.
Wow. Me too. Are you going to dance with me?
Not yet.
Oh, I need to find another partner now.
Francois is giving me 1 hour lessons free per week.
Okay. How about me, Francois? I want some dance lessons too. Oy vey. Okay, so we are going to have some social dances right now. Are we ready? Do it.
Pour la vie, ma père mon chéri, pour toute la vie, pas qu'à comprendre, pour qu'il va faire souffrir. Sentiment beaucoup chéri, vin plus fort chaque jour. Si vous défend moi, oui m'ta bagou yon bel château. A qui met l'auto, kifle chaque jour. Ta caressé dans la mer. Mi on est chouchouté. Il dit qu'à passer une nuit à c'est moi connais qui j'aime ta caressé. Ta foi volée juste dans 16e ciel. À mon bobo chéri, son bagage inexplicable. Si on t'es pas moi, oui, ça va où yon bel château. À qui on met l'auto, si vous kiffez chaque jour, ta caresse l'hôtel. Mi on est chouchouté, pour la vie. Ma belle aimée pour toute la vie.
If I could spend one night with you, I would cherish those memories my whole life. My love for you grows stronger every day. If you were mine, I would treat you like a queen. My queen.
Chérie, moi aimé, you are the one for me. Caressé de l'autre doudou, mais on est doudou, chouchouté doudou, achetez belle sifflet pour doudou, achetez belle top pour doudou, pour papa mouli, non mais vagabond, vagabond nous look, vagabond device, vagabond harmonique, vagabond disciple, vagabond New York, ça y est, je trouve vagabond c'est mal. Oh maman, pousse ma boîte de la vie à maman, on te fait toi bonheur. Chauffeur automobile, la bonne petite roule, moins fatigué. Arrive la caille là, on te pose dans le corridor. Pas de mon route là, la bonne petite roule, moins fatigué. Arrive la caille là, on te pose dans le corridor. Aïe aïe aïe. Mais l'on qui bloque dans le palo là. Salut oui. Mais Konpa. Nous pas ouais. C'est moi qui semble moi-même. M'pas semble à personne. Tendez bien pour nous. À la draga. Si vous la guine devant Kaila, malheur arrive doudou, t'en prie souple chérie, devant casa son tête chargée. Si vous la guine devant Kaila, malheur arrive doudou, t'en prie souple pied frère, évitez-moi dans des agréments, ton déclassé ma vérité. La guine de corridor, la guine de corridor, pas la guine devant Kaila, la guine de corridor. Sur la gueule devant Kaila, chérie, malheur arrivé. La gueule dans le corridor, pas la gueule devant Kaila. vie, vite before chaque jour. Si vous t'aimes pas moi, oui, ça va où you got shadow. And you mellow, si vous kiffez chaque jour, ta caresse pour la paix. Mais on est au chouchou de pour la vie. Ma belle pour toute la vie. C'est vous seul qui m'adorez. Sabodo pour Pepo, c'est Goudou Dida. Pour la
Beautiful! Woo! Woo-hoo! Louder, louder. That's what I'm talking about. Very good. Awesome.
I have the honor of introducing the surprise. My husband, the co-founder of Rhonda Eyes Alliance, is a man of many hats. He's Air Force retired veteran. He keeps me in line. He does. I jump into the water and I can't swim. I'm from Guyana. So now I'd like to ask our musicians to please come up so that you can see what makes Lucky Plus. We have a steel pan player, Easy-E, steel, Mr. Cajus, welcome, thank you. And Mr. Roland, the Olympian of swimming, thank you. This is Lucky Plus, strings and steel. They're gonna play a couple renditions, and the best one is, we need everybody to dance. We wanna see what moves you learned. So, okay? So they're gonna play a couple, and then we're waiting to see, we're watching you, we're filming to see who learned to do what. Remember what Victor taught us. 1, 2, 1. Thank you. Lucky Plus.
Your Bam zoye plastik la maman, boîte la kagade mwen lan vitrine, rat la demo e mwen maman, bam gaz gelatine nan tijou, bam zoye plastik la maman, boîte la kagade mwen lan vitrine, fem dodo, basa dormi, wete mateya, mete malea, rat la bode mwen, wete mateya, mete malaya, pou m kapap dormi, la.